Hello. So I'm going to show you our generator here. We had some problems with it not firing up after a rainstorm, and we actually left it in the rain, so it's kind of our fault, but whatever. I'm going to show you what we did to fix it. Alright, so it's a Champion 2000 watt inverter generator, what we got here. First, right here, spark plug's underneath there, so you just pull that up. Use the socket there to take it out, and we replaced it with a new spark plug. That didn't fix it, but now we got a new plug and we got a spare plug as well, so that's good. Good to have that on hand anyway. Then I checked in here. That's the air filter, just took that off, checked that, looked all good, so no problem there. So lastly, which maybe it could have been the first thing to do, doesn't matter. You never know, you need air, fire, and fuel to get things going, right? So right here, there was a drain plug. So we took another small, I actually used this here, Phillips end on mine, and unscrewed that. And what we did is we unscrewed it. Not sure if you can tell, but you can kind of see like where the water separates from the gas. It looks kind of cloudy in there too. But anyway, so we let that drain for a bit. And then tried it again. So we tried it a couple times, didn't work, so we drained a little bit more. Then tightened that back up. And then gave her a try and she fired up. So I'm going to show you now that after doing that, so we obviously got water in it, right? So we had a home, a little place, a little shelter built for our big Jenny right there last year. And we haven't done it yet for this one, so now we got to do that and have a place to keep that out of the weather. So it was kind of our fault why it happened, but I'm sure there's many people who have had their generators out in the rain at times and it took on some water or something and wouldn't fire up. So that's what we did in case you needed that info. Help you out, save you a couple minutes. I'm going to fire it up and show you how we got her running anyway. All right, so we normally don't run our picnic Jenny on the picnic table, but this is where we were sitting to fix it.
Yes. So exciting.
So it's all good?
Oh, that's so much better than using the big one.
So, all right, so as you see, it's working, and that's good for us because we were using a way bigger generator the last couple of days. Takes way too much gas. So this one here does what we need it to do. So wanted to share that for anybody that may be experiencing some problems with their Jenny not running. This worked for us, maybe to work for you. And we're building a cabin. We live off grid. If you're new here, check it out. Lots of cool stuff to watch us do here, building a homestead from scratch. See you in the next one.